Hey guys, Andrew here at Veurink's RV. I want to talk about another special camper that we just got in. This is the Aspen Trail 2910BHS. This is a great looking camper. I really like what they've done to modernize the look. It's going to be a lighter camper to tow where you can fit all the kiddos inside. The outside is pretty standard, but very modern looking at the same time. They got rid of all the splish splashes and they have a lot more straight line features. It also does come with a small outdoor kitchen in the back, which is going to be a mini fridge and a 2-burner. Very nice for doing some breakfast, doing some lunch, stuff like that, keeping the kids water outside, Gatorade, punch, stuff like that. So why don't we take a look at the inside and see what makes this thing special. So now that we're inside of the Aspen Trail, right when you walk in, you get a nice white, warm, not too overwhelming look. It has a very modern, rustic look to it. Right when you come in, you see this feature wall, which is like a shiplap straight out of HGTV. It also has a Carrera marble looking countertops. You have a fireplace. A lot of people ask, why do you have a fireplace in a camper? It is because it also puts off heat. When you go to a campground, you're already paying for the electricity. Why not use that instead of your propane? Now in this camper, it has a very nice whitewashed barnwood floor. I think it really lightens up the room. And then it also pairs really well with this gray cabinetry and then this nice big farmhouse sink. They also did a black fixture here that is going to be a matte black sink. Looks very nice with some of the other appliances. This thing has plenty of cupboard space. Also has a nice big refrigerator over here, which is everybody's asking for. Now moving over to the entertainment section, what I really like that they've started doing is with this jackknife sofa, you not only have a little table in the middle that will flip up, but you also have extra storage underneath here, which is great. You can put a whole bunch of Tupper totes in there, dedicate them to different things that you need throughout. They also, on these valances, tell me that is not the coolest thing you've seen. It's a barnwood that is somewhat textured. I mean, it looks great in here. It really adds to the rest of the feel of the coach. So you also get this really big U-shaped dinette. Another thing that I really like that they started doing is if you look down here, there's actually ways that you can adjust this to turn into a regular dinette. But it is the big U shape, so you can get the whole family around it. And it does have that Carrera marble look to it. They also have storage underneath. I just think the color scheme worked really well in this. They've added a lot of different colors, but it really goes together really well. Now, if you come back here with me, you can see that it has a very nice bathroom as well. You have a toilet with plenty of shoulder width. You have a nice vanity over there where you can keep just about anything you need. And then you also have a tub shower combination, which always works really well when you're dealing with kids. Now, in the Aspen Trail, welcome to the bunkhouse. This is an amazing bunkhouse. I really like the way they've laid it out. The other good thing is they actually did a solid door here. So when you need to cut the kiddos out, you can. Now coming inside, you have 3 dedicated bunks that are great situation when you have kids that are taller than others, different ways you can situate it. But then it also has this really nice lounge sofa that also jackknifes down. Now, if you come in here a little bit more, you'll also have a small entertainment center. So if you have kids that want to do some gaming and stuff on rainy days, there is a nice amount of storage and a good place where you can actually put that TV and that game system, whether they're PlayStation or Xbox, whatever they need to do. But it does give a little bit of escape space away from the parents, so you guys can both have your time, because it's supposed to be a relaxing time when you're camping, and if you can get a little separation every once in a while, it's not a bad thing. So next we're going to take a look at the bedroom. Now moving on to the bedroom up front, I really like that you have your dual entrance into the bedroom, and you have 2 pocket doors. So if one of you is going to sleep later, you can always keep those doors closed. Now moving inside, it has a residential queen bed, and then you also have some reading lights underneath. You have on both sides, you have some nice closet space, a little bit of space up above here, and then you also have plugs on both sides if you need to charge phones, iPads, stuff like that. There also is a pre-wire for a second AC up top, or a nice vent if you need to let some air in. Well guys, now that you've seen the Aspen Trail 2910BHS, now you have to see it in person. This is a great camper for a family, not too big, not too small, plenty of room for everybody. If you'd like to come check it out, give us a call at the number below and we can schedule a viewing, or just stop by and ask for Andrew. Thanks for tuning in.